Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In our previous video, we saw about relational operators. This video explains another example for the relational operators in the C program. Let me open my VS Code and I am creating a new C program named relational.c. I am including the header file stdio.h to use the printf. Next, I am creating the main function of the program. Let me declare two variables named a and b. I am assigning a value 5 to a and assigning a value 6 to b. Now let me create some printf functions which will display the relational operators and its result for the variables a and b. The first printf will show the result for the less than operator. I am just copy pasting first printf and changing the operators for different conditions. Similar to the first printf, the others will show greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to operators actions. In our previous video, we clearly saw how these 6 operators works. If you have missed that video, kindly watch it once. I will add the link to that video. It may pop up during this time. I am finally adding return 0 to the end of the main function. Let's save the program using Ctrl S. To compile this program, in the terminal window, type gcc space relational2.c, then press enter. Then to run the program, the same terminal window, type ./a.exe and then press enter. From the output, we can see that 5 is less than 6 is true, so 1 displayed. And for 5 is greater than 6, 0 is displayed because it's false. Similarly, 5 is less than or equal to 6 is also true because 5 is less than 6. 5 is greater than or equal to 6 is 0 because 5 is not greater than 6, also not equal to 6. 5 equals 6 is 0, but 5 not equal to 6 is 1 because it's a true. Now let's change the value of a to 6 and let's see the output. We can see the changes in the output. 6 is less than 6 is 0. 6 is greater than 6 is also 0. 6 less than or equal to 6 is 1 because 6 is at least equal to 6. 6 is greater than or equal to 6 is also 1 because 6 equal to 6. 6 equal to 6 is 1. 6 not equal to 6 is 0. Now let's change the value of b to 5 and check the output. Here 6 less than 5 is 0, false. 6 greater than 5 is true. 6 less than or equal to 5 is 0. 6 greater than or equal to 5 is 1 because 6 is greater than 5. 6 equals 5 is 0. 6 not equal to 5 is 1. It's true. Do you have any queries or doubts? Please comment it. Please like this video. Also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.